Do you know what is the most valuable thing you have? Your time. You only have 24 hours a day. Even being more efficient, your time is limited. Hence, earning money should not be linked to your time as it will be limited. The money needs to work for you while you're sleeping, working in the office, and going out. How can you make money this way? First, invest in funds, but be careful not to invest in high-risk funds as you will have to monitor them daily. Only put money that you do not need. 2. Rent your space. You can rent your flat, your room, your parking, and even your car. Pay someone to clean it. Do not do it yourself as your time is more valuable. 3. Pay someone to work for you. You can advertise a service online or products. Once you get the client, get someone to do the service for you and you will earn the difference. Do not use your time to earn money. Use the time of others.